All right, we're gonna do number one. So number one, first thing you gotta do is see the third. Just take it out because you don't need it there. It's ridiculous to even have it there. It's lame. Yeah. So then you just have the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine of x dx, and you just find, when you find the final answer, just multiply that times the third. The antiderivative of sine is negative cosine. Yes?
Yep.
So we get
Negative cosine.
1/3. So now we're going to put the antiderivative inside the brackets here, and then we're going to move forward. Yeah.
Why did you take out 1/3?
Because, see, the 1/3, this is actually 1/3 here. You see that? So let me zoom in here. Yeah, so like derivatives and integrals are, you can factor out a constant, and it won't affect the final answer of the derivative or of the integral. So all I did was I took it out here to get to this, and then I'm putting the 1/3 here, right? And then the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine of x, right? Why? Because this derivative is that, right?
Yeah.
Easy way to check. And then on your limits of integration, don't forget to put from 0 to pi over 2. We still need work at that. It is at 1/3 times, right? And now we use the second fundamental theorem of calculus. And again, if you write your format like this, you're going to get it right every time. All you have to do is just be consistent. So what do we put? Negative cosine of blah blah minus what? Negative cosine of blah blah. Now if you see here, I put all these parentheses and brackets. I know it seems ridiculous, and the goal is for you to do all this in your head eventually. But for right now, you just lay them through. Let's put this as pi over 2 minus the negative cosine of 0. And all we got to do is simplify this.
So you don't do trapezoid or Simpson's rule for that?
Well, no, the trapezoid and Simpson's rule, they're used for approximation. Laura, you only do that. This is better. This is the perfect. This is the exact answer always. This is what, like anytime you say area under the curve, you want to just do the integral. All right? They'll only do the Simpsons and trapezoid rule if they ask you to do it. Okay? Anyway, so we get here, cosine of pi over 2 is what? Pi over 2 is here, right? What's the cosine? 0. So this is, hold up, I got 1/3 times what? 0 minus a minus is a what? Plus cosine of 0 is 1. So the answer is what?
1/3.
Clearly it is a third. Can't be anything else because you're too cool to pick anything else. So circle D. Call it good.